All right, this is Mimi's Crafty Shop, and it's giveaway time. So I finally got my book finished, and I'm just going to do a quick flip through. And I just want to, as I'm doing that, I'm just going to talk and say how much I appreciate all the love that everybody's been giving me throughout this past year. And I thoroughly enjoy making junk journals and love all the little the YouTube friends that I have gotten over the last year, and the people that have been so generous and nice to me and have helped me along the way. And just so decided to do this giveaway. And these paper bag journals are so, I love making them, and I've had a lot of good response on them. So I thought, well, let's do this time, and then the next time I'll do a different one when I reach 500. But this is for the people that are subscribed to my YouTube. Isn't that pretty? And and I definitely, if you want to enter in the contest, please comment below. Make sure you comment on there, and that's all I ask, is just a comment. Doesn't matter where you know, if you, I'm gonna ship it out, so it's all my subscribers, except I told my mom she couldn't put her name in the hat, even though she's one of my biggest people that has inspired me and always helping me with everything and giving me good advice and looking at my YouTubes and trying to get my name out there. You know, she tries to get people to subscribe to me because she's always, you know, telling people about my YouTube page. So I appreciate all that she's done for me. And but I told her, I said, it wouldn't look good if you won it. So I told her she couldn't do it. So anyway, purple's not really one of her favorite colors, so I think she was okay with it. Anyway, but I really think this turned out so pretty. And so, like I said, I'm trying to pull it in. Okay, wait a minute. What am I doing? Okay, there you go. This is the back side. Another little lavender right there. And let's see, too close. This right here is the back part. Here's some little more ephemera. Another little place right here. And I love this little butterfly girl. She's so cute. I just got that recently from, I don't know who it was from, but somebody, it might have been TLC Creates. I think that's who I got some of my stuff from recently. So I'm pretty sure she had some really pretty, she had a good sale going on, some cute stuff. I made up 2 little books. They turned out so cute. And put a lot of embellishments on there. So anyway, just put some comments down, people that are already subscribed to me again. And then I will do my drawing probably on Sunday. So anyway, so y'all get the word out, anybody that's subscribed to me. And I appreciate everything that y'all always do and all the comments y'all make. And y'all have a blessed day.